Hello, I'm here with Sam Kirtikar from Clever Lending. How are you doing, Sam?
Very well, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, good, thanks. So, crack on to the questions. So what do you make of disruptors, they call themselves, like the digital mortgage advisors, Habito,
and so on.
Dwell? Do you see them as a threat, or are they something that perhaps we can learn from in the established industry?
I don't think we can ever see technology and people like them as a threat, because it's inevitable, it's going to happen. I mean, the robo advice, if you like, that's coming into the market, these are things that will take place because technology is having a vast impact on many things. But it's helping it's helping the process, it's helping lots of things in the market, but actually what you'll see that that's going to be focused more on the prime cases and the mortgage cases. Right. It'll have a positive impact on them, but there's always going to be manual underwriting required for specialist lending. So for the likes of Clever Lending, for ourselves, it's actually going to have a very positive effect, I think, because what you'll see is that brokers will actually have to consider more complex scenarios, which they haven't considered before, because the more mainstream prime cases, which are the ones really that you can go through from the technology side, from the robo-advice side, they're the ones that are going to focus on the prime cases. Okay. So anything more specialist requires much more advice, it requires manual intervention.
So you feel like it really influences the prime and not your space so much?
Yeah, not so much, because you can never have a complete robo service in our side of things. It's far too complex. There's so many different scenarios that you have to consider for the client, and you have to make sure that they're suitable and sustainable, and in order to do that, in order to give the advice, you really need to have an impact.
So on that subject, what's been the interest like from brokers? Have you seen more of them looking at complex cases this year?
Yes, absolutely. We're seeing a wealth of complex cases coming through the door because, as I've said in the kind of previously, the brokers are considering far more options now. They are much more confident and much more comfortable. They have to align themselves with master brokers like ourselves, Clever Lending, to ensure that they can really actually see those options. But what they're doing is becoming more educated in the market, and they're understanding more about the products, and therefore they're considering everything that we offer, kind of from commercial to bridging, first charge packaging, second charge, and they're really kind of considering those cases a lot more now because there's a vast amount of income opportunities for the brokers, and there's a lot more opportunities for the clients.
Brilliant. Okay. Thanks very much.
Okay.
Pleasure.
Thank you very much. Cheers.